next one would be here. The next stake would be here. So we're going to get our awl over, under, over, under, over, under. So we've got a tiny little bit left with those two, but I try and go around as much as I can with the thinner ones like that, and then that one, depending on how you want your basket to be, I like to leave little things like that on sometimes, the head of the dandelion, just for decoration. It is worth watching these processes in their entirety before you actually begin making. Just so you've got some idea of what you're doing before you start.